But then we need to know what are the niches that are there for us to actually put the
Mhm.
keyword in there and search.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. You just search, right? Guided journal, or like how to stop overthinking is what I
Mm.
would start typing into Amazon. And then I would start looking at the books and be like, oh, look at that title. I'll grab that keyword and put that in, search
Yeah.
that. And then you just keep going from there.
Yeah. So what if I don't want to do, say, overthinking and I want to go into a completely different niche? Where do I
Like,
start? What would be the step one then?
name me the nation. I'll tell you what step. I'll
Yeah.
I'll
So
tell you the
that
phrase
that's
I would type.
yeah. So that's what I need help figuring out, because what is the niche I should look for?
It's yeah, okay. So like it literally just anything that like you just start looking at the bestseller list on Amazon and just start looking at
Mhm.
books.
Yeah.
And yeah, like unless you want to go with something that you like doing and start there. But it's like, yeah, everyone just kind of picks, something they want to do and they go from there, right? Like it's yeah.